We're going down. Yeah, we're going down. Come on. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. No! Ah! Yeah, there must be explosives in there. Hey guys, what's going on? Quentin HD here, and we're changing something up. I'm, today, going to be playing Besiege, and we're going to be showcasing, like, 5, 10 vehicles that I think are the best. So, let's get into it. Okay, first, we have this little, simple plane. I've kind of got the controls down, but not really. It's really fun. I played with it a little bit. So we got to take off here, and basically it's like a little fighter jet. I know there are some cannons on it. I have no idea how to use them, and let's just try and... Oh, can we look cool while we're doing this? Oh, no. Oh, come on, save it, save it. And I'm not in invincibility mode right now. Which is crazy because this thing is holding up pretty well. Now, let's see if we can land it. It's gonna be hard, but oh, that's rock. Okay, let's do it. Throttle down a little bit. Go down. You know what? No one likes you. Full throttle. Okay, throttle down. We're basically not we're motionless, almost in a way. We're just going. Come on. Oh no, we've lost our propeller. Come on. Oh no, 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 no. Speed. No, no, no. Houses. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Oh, oh. Perfect landing, then the houses had to ruin it. Okay, our next creation is a hovercraft. So, let's see how it does. It's a little bit slow to start. Here, let's try and take this army down. We have some cannons here. Usually it would be going faster, but I don't know. I tried it a little bit. It seems pretty cool. Has like a nice little mechanism on here. Cut him up. Sorry, Wade. We would have killed you. Ugh. Don't hit me. Don't you hit me. Fire all cannons. Kamikaze. You know what? We're going to escape. Zero gravity mode. Okay. Let us floor it. Oh no. Oh no, this isn't turning out well. This isn't turning out well. No. Okay, well, maybe we can use these. Oh, great. We don't. Okay. We're a rocket ship now. Folks, we're going to the moon. Oh no. What is happening? Please save me. I'm stranded. I need help. Goodbye. Okay, now we spiced some stuff up, and I've already seen that my plan has failed. So, you know what? How about we should just say, screw it. Haha, it worked. Oh no. Save me. Man, the destruction of everything is amazing to watch. Amazing. Next creation. It's very slow, by the way, if you can't tell already. Satisfaction. Okay, our next creation is a bomber. So, let's see how this does. I don't actually know if there are bombs on it. Maybe. We'll just see when we crash. Ooh, there are. Looks like rockets. Okay, take off. Oh no, we may not be able to make it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Okay, We've officially taken off. We're gonna take out these villagers. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh no! Oh my god! What just happened? Apparently there were bombs in there. Okay, round 2 now. Let's hopefully we don't hit another village, because that seemed like crazy. Here, let's take them out. T. Hit all the buttons. Hit all of the buttons. Hit the buttons. It didn't work. Okay, let's go. Maybe one... I don't know. I'll just have... I wonder if this can take out a statue. I bet you it can. Or that propeller thing. Let's try it. Okay. Let's take off. Oh no. Okay, good. We got it. I wonder if we can speed some stuff up. Oh. Oh no. No, we can't. I just did mistake. Okay. We're good. Let's go. Oh no. No. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Oh no. Houston, we have a problem. Oh no. Oh wow. It still works. What? Let's go in for round 2. Oh no, we're going down. Yeah, we're going down. Come on. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. No! Ah! Yeah, there must be explosives in there. Okay, so for this one, we have a Bionic Hawk. So, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's try it. Oh no. Flap, flap, flap. Okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Flap, flap. What? How am I doing this wrong? Come on. What? LJ, what? Oh, maybe... Well, that was just a great creation. Okay, guys, well, if you did, in fact, enjoy this video of Besiege creations, it'd really mean a lot to me if you hit that thumbs up and tell me if there was, like, a certain creation you wanted me to do. And, yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye!